Corner review. Time.
Okay.
Time.
Go first. Okay. So what we're gonna do is just review toys. You know.
Jump.
Yeah. Okay. First one. Boom. We got a Star-Lord helmet. I think. Yeah. You can put this on. Except it's. No, I'm gonna take my
Super
glasses
big.
off.
So,
Yeah.
little kid with a big head.
Ow.
How do you turn the volume up on this? He's a little kid with a big head.
Okay. And
The Bluetooth device is connected successfully.
you just hear the Bluetooth device.
Is there anything, Star-Lord, you want to say?
No.
Okay. Well, on a
So
scale of one, on a
Let's
scale
review it.
Device is ready to
Okay, on a scale of 1
1
to
to
10,
10.
how, like, on a scale of 1 to 10,
1 to 5.
no, 1 to 10 of, okay, 1 to 5, wait, 1 to
1 to
5
5.
of its fun, how fun it is.
I'd say 5. This thing's sick.
I know, but, like, you can't have that much fun with it.
Oh yeah.
All you really do is just wear it, and then it gets kind of boring.
It
after
can
like
play
2 minutes.
music.
Yeah, it is Bluetooth, I guess.
It can play music.
I guess that's one thing, but that gets boring after a little while. And it kind of hurts your head, so I'd give it like a 3, 2.5, or a 3.
On fun. But on awesomeness, I definitely would say 5.
Yeah, 5. Like, on, like, the design, it's super good.
Yeah, it looks really like from the movie.
Yeah, it's really good. The design, so the design I'd give a 5. Even the little scratches right here, those are good.
I feel so dumb right now.
Okay, so I'd pass this off, like the whole thing, as a 4.5
Agreed.
out of 5.
Agreed. Everything I'd say 4.5.
Yeah, 4.5
Yeah.
out of
Okay.
5. If it was, like, if it had more features you could do on it, then it'd be pretty fun, but it's not that fun.
It's pretty cool.
Yeah, if it was fun, then it'd be, just a 5.
Yeah.
Okay, you do. Now it's your turn.
If I can reach it. Wait, can you hold this?
Yo.
Bop it.
So we got a Bop It toy. Now, let's do the fun. Okay, out of 1 out of 10, how fun is it?
Out of 1 to 10? You mean 5?
No, let's do 1 to 10 on this. I think that's
I'd
like
say 8. This thing's pretty fun.
an 8. Okay, so that's about an 8. Actually, for me, it's,
When I was a younger kid, I would like to do a gun and go like pew, pew,
Yeah.
pew.
for me, I'd say, like 7. I'd say
Yeah.
7. What about you?
8.
8?
8.
Okay. What about like,
I wonder if this thing is even affecting the camera.
what?
Like if they can hear it. Okay. Now it is time to play. How does this work?
Okay.
I score 100.
100.
Twist it. Pull it. Bop it. Bop it. Pull it.
Okay, so
You
off
try.
of that, it's like pretty.
You go. It's pretty.
It's entertaining. If it
Yeah.
entertaining, it's like a 9.
Yeah.
Because you could keep on playing this game
I'm going to
for a
sleep.
long time.
Yeah, that's true.
Okay.
How high do you think it could go? Like
I
how
don't know,
long?
probably forever.
Probably just goes repeat. Like on
Okay, let's get it.
Twist it.
Mm.
Twist it. Bop it. Twist it. Pass it. Pull it. Yeah.
Ah!
Oh, too
was-
fast for you. You're out.
I'm just gonna.
So that, wait, out of 10, that's like
Too
a
fast for you. You're out.
7.5.
Yeah. On all of them, I'd say 7.5.
Yeah.
Bop it to
Okay.
start.
You grab yours.
Ooh, nice headphones.
I'm going to sleep.
These, out of fun, you can't really have any fun with these. These are for listening to music, so it would be
Well,
like
listening to music can be fun.
for some people, but
Yeah.
I'm guessing for fun this would be out of 5, 1 out of 5. I'd say it's like a 2.5 or 3.5 because
Well, it depends on the person. Anyone could have. Anybody
Yeah.
would not like it.
Okay,
A lot
then-
of people would like
yeah,
it.
I think it's like a 3. And okay, let's talk about like
It's
Um,
Bluetooth. It doesn't need a cord.
oh yeah, that it for like how good it is at some stuff it has. It's Bluetooth, so then out of 1 out of 5 with like features it has Bluetooth, and it comes with, and you can pause it. There's a button on the side you can pause it with, and it has sound canceling. So out of 1 out of 5 of the features it has, probably like a
5 or no
4.5,
4. Yeah.
4 or
I'd
4.5.
say- I'd say 3.
Okay, yeah, 3 or I'm guessing 4, but
'Kay.
okay.
You have
Then
any
out of
guess?
all of this, I think it's like a 6 out of 10.
Mhm.
Okay, next.
Next thing. No, I don't know. It's like a robot thingy.
Yeah, it's a robot you can.
I don't
use.
know how to open.
I think you. Oh yeah, there's a button on its butt. Okay.
There's also a speaker on its butt.
Speaker on. Does it mix?
Dude,
Find me out of
why
battery.
are you looking at it?
I don't know. Well,
Do you know how to work it?
yeah, I've worked this before. I think this is out of batteries, but this looks super fun. It looks really fun.
MIP.
For
Is
you
his
to
name?
do.
Is his name?
Yes,
MIP?
MIP. You can track it of where it goes. You can, yeah, that looks pretty fun. You can control where it goes. So for fun, I'd give it like, what do you think?
Fun?
Yeah, because
Be
when
pretty
it's turned
fun.
on, you can like track it where it goes. You can tell it where
Wait,
to
can't
go.
you do like?
Yeah,
And
you
then
can
it
do
like
that.
follows you.
You also can get an app on your phone. So for the features, as an app on its phone, then it has
Watch
a thing.
this. Watch this.
Keep
Ready?
going.
Divorce.
Okay. Well, for the features, actually for the fun, it would be like, I think like a 4 out of 5. 4.5
Okay.
out of 5.
Out of
And-
mine, out of like all of them, I would say. Wait, did you say out of 5?
Out of for fun, like
Oh.
1 out of 5.
4.5.
Yeah, that's what I get. And for the features, it has like, it comes with an app you're supposed to get, and
Yeah.
and a weird thing that can balance on. So for the features, I'd get it like a 3.5.
What?
Yeah, 3.5.
Out of 5?
Yeah.
I would do like 5 because it can dance, you can follow his hand, it can do all these
I
different
know, but it
modes.
doesn't work that well with the hand.
Oh yeah, that's true.
The app is, I think,
If you do it close and slow, I bet it
yeah,
works good.
but I'm talking about with the features.
Yeah.
It has.
I would do 4.
I'm guessing 3.5.
Or
I'm
I could
guessing
do 3.9.
3.9.
Okay, next, last one.
Okay, don't you have one more?
Nope.
How much things did you pick?
2.
Why am I putting this down there?
La 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 la. La 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 la. Does that thing work at all?
No. Well, if you get the right battery for it, it does. So we just don't have the battery. with
That's the
us.
same kind that we're filming with, isn't it?
Yeah, it is. Except
A teensy bit.
it has a camera. Well, that one has a microphone.
Yeah. And that one is nicer.
Yeah, way nicer.
Well, I have no idea what
This
that
one?
thing does. I would.
This just records. It does have a little thing you can look through when you open up this.
Yeah, it's just like the same thing. that we're
Yeah, it's the
using.
same thing, except it's
I don't know nothing about it, so I'll just say 3.5.
no. But the features, it does have a lot of features. Like it has a light, it has the volume.
That one has light and
I know.
volume.
Look at all those buttons right there. Just right there. There's a bunch of buttons.
The one on that, it's not on the top. It's like
in there.
on
Yeah.
the
So
side.
for the features, I'd give it a 4.
Yeah, same. I'd give it a 4.
And for fun, there's a lot of things you can do with this for fun. So I'd give it a 4.5 because we had a lot of fun with this
I'd say
a while ago when we were pretending like we had a YouTube channel.
Yeah, we were pretending.
We actually got to do those fake commercial things on this YouTube channel.
Yeah, we're gonna do a lot of fake commercials, really funny commercials.
Okay.
Well, that's it.
Whoa. My chair.
Okay, that's the end of the video. Goodbye.